See, a jet plane is traveling towards west at a speed of 1800 km per hour. What is the voltage difference developed between the ends of the wing having a span of 25 meter? If the Earth's magnetic field at that location has a magnitude of 5 into 10 raised to power minus 4 Tesla and the dip angle is 30 degree. So, we can get the vertical component of the magnetic field BV is equal to B sin 30, that is here 5 into 10 raised to power minus 4 into 1 by 2 Tesla, that is here 2.5. So, 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 4 Tesla, that is the magnetic field at that place. Now, EMF is equal to induced, that is a BLV. So, velocity is given to you here 1800 kilometer per hour. We can convert it into the meter per second. So, the 1800 into 5 by 18. So, that will be here 1. So, the 500 meter per second. So, we can write 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 4 into 500 into 25 volt. That will be, this is the volt V, we will be getting here 3.125 volt. This is the potential difference developed across the ends of the wings.